What happens if you start using apple cider vinegar every day? If you start using apple cider vinegar every day, there can be several potential effects on your body. Here are some things that may happen. Improved digestion. Apple cider vinegar has been reported to aid digestion by increasing stomach acid production, which may help break down food more efficiently and improve nutrient absorption. 2. Weight management. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may contribute to weight loss or weight management by promoting feelings of fullness, reducing calorie intake, and potentially affecting metabolism. 3. Blood sugar control. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to have a modest effect on blood sugar levels. It may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or prediabetes. 4. Reduced appetite. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may help suppress appetite, leading to a reduced caloric intake and potential weight loss. 5. Potential impact on gut health. Apple cider vinegar contains beneficial bacteria and prebiotics that can support a healthy gut microbiome, contributing to improved digestion and overall gut health. 6. Possible reduction in cholesterol levels. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may help lower LDL cholesterol levels and increase HDL cholesterol levels, which can promote heart health. 7. Teeth and gum health. It's important to note that consuming apple cider vinegar directly can erode tooth enamel due to its acidic nature. It's recommended to dilute it with water and rinse your mouth afterward to minimize potential damage. 8. Possible interactions with medications. Apple cider vinegar may interact with certain medications, such as insulin, diuretics, or medications for heart disease or diabetes. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your routine if you take any medications. 9. Skin and hair health. Some people use apple cider vinegar topically for its potential benefits on the skin and hair. It may help balance the skin's pH, soothe skin irritations, and enhance hair shine. However, it's important to dilute it properly and patch test before using it on your skin or hair. 10. Individual responses may vary. It's essential to remember that individual responses to apple cider vinegar can vary. Some people may experience positive effects, while others may not notice any significant changes. It's always recommended to listen to your body and adjust your usage accordingly. 11. Alleviation of heartburn or acid reflux. Despite its acidic nature, apple cider vinegar has been suggested to have alkalizing effects in the body. Some individuals find that consuming diluted apple cider vinegar can help relieve symptoms of heartburn or acid reflux. 12. Improved skin conditions. Some people claim that applying diluted apple cider vinegar topically can help alleviate certain skin conditions such as acne, eczema, or fungal infections. However, individual responses may vary, and it's important to do a patch test and consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns. 13. Potential immune system support. Apple cider vinegar contains various beneficial compounds, such as antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, which may support the immune system and help combat certain pathogens. 14. Detoxification support. Apple cider vinegar is often associated with detoxification due to its potential ability to support liver function and promote the elimination of toxins from the body. 15. Enhanced energy levels. Some individuals report feeling increased energy and reduced fatigue when using apple cider vinegar regularly. This could be attributed to improved digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. It's important to note that while apple cider vinegar has been studied for its potential health benefits, more research is needed to fully understand its effects and mechanisms of action. Furthermore, individual responses can vary, and it's crucial to listen to your body and adjust your usage based on your specific needs and tolerances. Additionally, it's recommended to use raw, unfiltered, and organic apple cider vinegar that contains the mother, a cloudy substance consisting of beneficial enzymes and bacteria, to maximize potential benefits. Diluting apple cider vinegar with water is also advisable to minimize any potential adverse effects on tooth enamel or digestive system irritation. As always, if you experience any negative symptoms or have concerns about using apple cider vinegar, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance. Subscribe now and start mastering your mind today. Thanks for watching.